It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Window films are an easy upgrade that can add big benefits to your home. So today, Rigo Perez from NU-VUE Window Films is here to introduce us to LLumar Films. Thanks so much for being with me today.
Thank you for having me.
Let's just dive right into the benefits that homeowners are going to get if they choose these LLumar films for their windows.
With LLumar Films, you get heat rejection, UV protection, and comfort.
Those are three incredible opportunities to consider for your home because heat reduction, I want to have less heat in my home. The windows are a big source of that. How much heat reduction do we get with these window films?
Well, the LLumar brand has heat rejection from 50% to 84%.
That's a big reduction that I can see. Is that going to affect my AC bills?
Absolutely.
So what about the UV protection? Why is that so important?
The UV protection will protect from fading your furniture, your carpet, your shutters, blinds, wood floors. It will reduce
it's going to slow that down.
Absolutely.
And how much percentage-wise are we talking about? Does it reject the UVs?
It will reject 99% of the UV rays.
That is huge. I'm thinking of all the photographs that are going to get saved. I hate when I go into a home and I see those faded photos from the sun.
Absolutely, that will help with it.
And comfort, we touched on, it's going to lower your AC bills because you can run it a little bit, you'll have to run it a little bit less because it won't be quite as hot, which is great. But also comfort because I want to enjoy my view and my windows.
Exactly. So now when you add window films to your house, you can sit in a room and still enjoy the light, enjoy the views without feeling the heat.
Which we pay so much for in San Diego, so we definitely want to make sure we enjoy those views.
Correct.
But you're not limited to just one style is the key. So we've got these two examples, one a bit darker and one a bit lighter.
Exactly.
But there's a whole range of products in between this as well.
Absolutely. The lighter film will reject 50% of the heat. The darker one will reject 84% of the heat.
But of course, you're still going to be able to enjoy a beautiful view out these windows.
Absolutely.
And when you come to someone's home, you actually do that.
Exactly.
How do you help them choose the right film for their needs?
Well, we sit down with a consumer and we talk about their needs. What are they looking for? Are they looking for heat rejection? Are they looking for just UV protection? So we pinpoint what their needs are, and we'll find a film exactly for their needs.
Thank you so much. So get your LLumar films from NU-VUE Window Films today. Find them on ApprovedHomePros.com.